You've got to love me for what I am, for simply being me. Don't love me for what you intend and hope that I would see. And if you're only using me to feed your fantasy, you're really not in love. So let me go. I must be free. Ayan, Lana Kaababa ka, boses. Hanggang ganun na lang. Sa ngayon, siguro sa ngayon. Hopefully. Anyway, it's just my 20th day after surgery. So, kaya siguro ganun. Pero di bale, kahit di na ako makanta, okay lang. Basta ang importante, hindi ako nawalan ng boses. Yung speaking voice ko, ganun pa rin. Sa pagkanta lang na medyo hindi na talaga kayang bumirit. Pero ang pinaka-importante, andun pa rin yung boses ko. And I am so thankful to the Lord for all the answered prayers, for the successful operation. And one of the prayers I asked was to preserve my voice. At ayun, pinagbigyan ako. Pinagbigyan ako na mapanatili ko yung boses for me to be able to serve the Lord being a lector. As long as na makakapagbasa ako ng readings tuwing Sunday, I am very, very, very thankful. Okay na yan. Okay na yan. Kahit mga ganun-ganun lang, makikisabay na lang ako, makikiham na lang tuwing may kantahan. Who knows? Pagdating ng araw, after several months, years, makabalik yung boses. Mas thankful ako kay Lord. Pero sa ngayon pa lang, sobrang happy talaga ako. Sincerely. Ang saya-saya ko talaga. Sobra. Thank you for all your prayers before and after my surgery. Thank you for all your well wishes for my fast recovery. Sa ngayon, almost fully recovered na ako. Ito na ngayon yung liig ko. Sa mga nakakakilala sa akin, na ganyan talaga yung itsura ng liig ko bago pa ako magka-goiter. Agko talaga mga gurot-gurot. So, thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. Thank you so much. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, everyone. Thank you to my family. Lahat-lahat. Thank you so much. God bless us all. And I'll be giving more updates soon.